Hey, EDLS 732, the Thomasville crew. I hope that you are well. As I'm recording this, today is Tuesday, March 24th, and as of yesterday afternoon, Governor Cooper has said school is out through May 15th, so obviously everything changes kind of still day by day. I hope that you are well. What I had heard from you was there's great variation in what's going on in your districts. I hope that moving forward that your district does have some sort of distant learning plan in place. And I'm wondering how it does impact curriculum and instruction, teaching and learning in your district. But we're going to try to capture some of that in the CIIP. And I have a couple of suggestions for how you might tweak Part C. Here it is while I'm there. Do the very best that you can conducting an online audit in Part C of the curriculum. There's three pieces. There's the curriculum resources, those curriculum guides, the planning guides. Are there paper copies? Some of you have extensive electronic copies online for teachers and others to see. And that's a question too. Can teachers see that? Can parents see that? That's an interesting question. Anyway, there's curriculum resources, there are assessment resources, and should be instructional resources. And audit those. Say what's there, what's not. If you can involve your team in a collaborative online analysis of those three pieces, great. If you are stuck by yourself doing it, explain your situation and describe what's going on. Next, I would like you to add a couple of paragraphs, please, to your CIIP Part C, and that's simply to do a plus delta. If you don't know what a plus delta is, it's simply describing your current situation in a two-column chart. Pluses are things that are going well. Deltas, rather than minuses or weaknesses, delta is the Greek symbol for change, and a delta is things that you would change. So in an audit of your district's response to the pandemic, what is going well and what is not going so well or could be improved? What are some areas for improvement? And if you can do that analysis with your group, that would be cool too. Just put out a plus delta chart to people and ask them what's going well at your place, what could be improved or what could be better. And there's your plus delta. I'd like you to try to pick a point in time. I think it was March 16th when we were first out of school in North Carolina. Governor Cooper said first we were going to be out till the end of March, and now it's May 15th. I would just pick up a point in time. Whenever you're writing your CIIP Part C, pick a point in time and say, as of right now, these are things that we're doing well, and these are things that we could do better. Obviously, your situation is going to change, again, day by day, week by week. Pick a point in time and describe your reality in your district at that point in time. Hopefully, it's all getting better, and you're uncovering ways to make it better. I do have one article that I would like you to read this week. I kind of messed up and had it in last week's and this week's and instead. So you should have responded to Hattie and those influences, effective instructional practices. Barack Rosenshine has some other ideas about best practices. And so read Barack's 10 principles and respond to the discussion board this week about that. I'm going to try to keep the reading and the discussion boards to a minimum. I want you to focus on that CIIP. Please reach out to me if you have questions about it and how it's going. I expect that I'm going to schedule another face-to-face Zoom with you soon. And again, my plan hopefully is to give you some feedback. Today is Tuesday. I'm going to read in Blackboard tomorrow. Gardner Webb, no face-to-face, so your April class will definitely be online. Please do support one another in this. Be good to yourself and to others. And here's one personal note for you. Again, today is Tuesday, the 24th. We are sheltering in place with granddaughter number 1. My wife got a call at 2 a.m. this morning. Our son and daughter-in-law are headed to the hospital to hopefully bring home grandbaby number 3, and my wife is headed there. So I'm going to be sleep deprived and perhaps not reading in Blackboard the next day or two, but I promise to keep up with your stuff and give you some good feedback. You keep getting your stuff into me, and I'll try to turn it around as quickly as I can back to you. Be well, be good to yourself, be good to your families and your kiddos. Take care and reach out to me if there's something that I can do for you. Thank you. Have a great week.